I am trying to rotate the device. It looks like I did it. Okay. Anyhow, you guys, anybody that's around, we are on the edge of it all. You know, clearly see, I run into this a lot, you guys, when I'm trying to witness. People are not getting it. They're just not, they don't care. I'm gonna have to pull over someplace because this isn't acting right. These roads are not places to just pull over. They're about as windy as they can get. Anyhow, I might have to end this stream, you guys. I tried to turn it around. I didn't want it facing me. I wanted it facing the road. Alright, I see a place up here. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So I wanted to rotate my device, but it's not letting me. Anyhow. There's hardly any place to pull over here, you guys. The roads are very windy and they don't have any place to pull off. But anyhow, with everything we're seeing, you guys, it's like right there. It's in our face. You know, I'm running into a lot of people that say, oh yeah, they can see we're heading downhill quick, and yet they don't want to even talk about nothing else. You know, about salvation, about, you know, the times, where we're at, and what are you know, where's your faith? And it's like they're just focused on business. They don't care about nothing else. Actually, I think they see the country's heading down, but they don't realize that spirit, because they're not in Christ, it's going to be real bad. They don't realize the severity of what's about to happen. The severity of this. The severity of this.
Cara, coro. Valeu. Valeu.
Anyhow.
Go. Just can't wait to get on. I appreciate you stopping me.
Won't be long, you guys.
Thank you. Life behind the wheel is about to change for Tennessee drivers. In just a few days, a new law goes into effect.
Starting July 1st, the hands-free law restricts what drivers can do with their cell phones behind the wheel. News Channel 9's Mariah Rock explains what is and is not allowed. Mariah.